A past detail from Justin Bieber's early career is gaining attention again, and this time it is raising serious question. A Daily Express article, along with ongoing online discussions, has brought renewed focus to the people evolved during the early stage of his rise in the music industry. According to reports, music executive Law Reed has recently been back in the spotlight due to a legal case that was reportedly settled on the day it was set to go to trial. This development has led to increased public curiosity and speculation. At the same time, a statement from Law Reed's 2016 memoir has resurfaced. While it may not have drawn much attention at the time, many are now looking at it differently, especially considering the context in which it was written. The article also highlights that Usher played a role in introducing Justin Bieber to Law Reed at a time when Bieber was seen as a rising star with massive potential. But the conversation is no longer just about success, it has shifted towards a larger question: what kind of environment do young artists enter when they step into the industry at such an early age? Are they properly guided? Are they fully protected? Justin Bieber, through his representatives, has denied certain claims, making it important to separate confirmed information from speculation. However, discussions around his past industry relationships continues to grow, with many observers pointing out how those connections have evolved over time. Some have also noted that Bieber has distanced himself from certain individuals, which has only added to the ongoing curiosity. At this point, there are no confirmed conclusions, and that uncertainty is exactly why the conversation continues. Ultimately, this situation highlights broader concerns around power, influence, and responsibility within the entertainment industry. And until Justin Bieber chooses to address these discussions directly, this conversation is unlikely to fade anytime soon.